Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Yvette over at Yvette's Custom Wigs, and I am so excited, y'all. First and foremost, I've been having my units for a little minute, but I had to take a mental break. I started working on a few in the collection, so if you haven't seen them yet, go on over to the website and check them out. They're already ready to ship. And this is our spring summer collection. We're going short, honey. We're going bobs to midi bobs, okay? Mid-length bobs. So check us out. Stay tuned because we have so much for y'all, okay? And we have something in the collection for everyone, not just one particular person. Like if you like short, straight, short, curly, mid, straight, mid, curly, long, we have something for everyone. So please check out our website at www.livetscustomwigs.com and be looking out for the rest of this spring and summer collection, honey, because it's about to be lit. All right? Follow Livette's Custom Wigs.